Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore what a virtual assistant is and why you might need one. Let's start by identifying which tasks can be delegated. Think about routine and time-consuming tasks. Choosing the right virtual assistant is crucial. Consider their skills, experience, and how they fit your needs. Communicating your needs clearly will help your virtual assistant deliver better results. Be specific. Let's set up a workflow. Use tools like Trello or Slack for collaboration and tracking tasks efficiently. Onboarding your virtual assistant is key. Follow a step-by-step approach to ensure a smooth start. Monitor progress by establishing metrics to evaluate their performance regularly. This helps keep everything on track. Building a professional relationship is essential for sustained collaboration. Invest time in getting to know each other. Watch out for common pitfalls when working with a virtual assistant, such as micromanagement or unclear communication. In conclusion, leveraging a virtual assistant can greatly enhance your productivity. Implement these tips and watch your efficiency soar.